it, have no shame. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me.
Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel The Fit Bong Girl, and I want to welcome you to the second episode of Road to Pro series. I hope you guys have enjoyed the first episode where I announced where I would be competing and when I would be competing, and the prep has already started. We are almost 18 weeks out now. So I hope you guys are loving this prep series as much as I am, and I hope you subscribe to this channel and help your girl grow. Alright, so it's Saturday again. Just came back from gym after my training classes with my clients, and now I'm just gonna hop onto the treadmill and have a straight 60 minutes cardio right now. So I do have a treadmill in my gym, but I don't prefer to do cardio in my gym because they have this rule that you can only use the cardio machine for 15 to 20 minutes, and it becomes very difficult that I'll hop onto a cardio machine, do it for 15 minutes, then get out from there and go hop onto next one. I may or may not get another next machine because I don't know if somebody else is using it. So I prefer to do my cardio in the morning in my society gym because usually the space is pretty empty. It feels like a personal space. I can listen to podcast without headphones and enjoy my cardio. And to be honest, I have gotten so used to doing cardio that 60 minutes feels like 6 minutes to me now. And I feel like that's a huge achievement, because I used to be a girl who despised cardio like anything. Because I remember my first prep, the only thing I struggled was to do cardio. That was perfect, workouts were perfect, the only thing was cardio. I used to miss cardio, and I could see those results on stage. After that, I have never done that mistake. So I make sure that I do my cardio. And yes, before I forget, today we have a cheat meal. So we are going to get burgers, fries, and maybe some soft drinks as well for our cheat meals. And this is a coach approved cheat meal, which I have got after, I don't know, maybe 2 months. So I'm very excited about it. So let's get going with the day. Let's start with the cardio first. I'm done with my cardio. So sweaty. Now let's go home and have our first meal. No. No. Chalo, get up. Sit. बाल देखो इसका. Sit. Okay guys, so very quickly I want to show you a supplement that I take every single morning, empty stomach, that helps me a lot with my digestion and also helps me a lot with bloating. And this is not sponsored, these are just the brands that I am using right now, and I'm going to show you that. So it's like a concoction of Fibogel. Can you see? Yeah. So Fibogel is basically fibers. It's like in India में हम लोग इसको इसबगुल के नाम से जानते हैं. This is just a different brand. And then I'm gonna mix it with the super green powders from Electrophase Miracle Absolute, and then 1 scoop of glutamine. This is something which gives you regular and helps so much with your digestion, especially when you are on low carbohydrates. It's definitely going to take a toll on your digestion, and on prep, yes, it's going to. So it helps a lot with that. If you guys are struggling with bloating issue or digestion issue, this is a must recommendation. And this, where's the spoon? 1 spoon of fibers. So this is what I take first thing in the morning, and then I would again take another. Coco is looking at me like I am mad and I'm speaking with myself. She ignored me. This is it. I know it looks very gross, but it does not taste that gross because all these things have all different flavors, so all the flavors get mixed up. So cheers. Voila. Trust me guys, this is going to improve your digestion 10 times better. Just try it out. Not sponsored, just genuine review and genuine suggestion. Just try this out. Okay guys, so you can make fun of me for all you want, but you still cannot take Tarak Mehta away from me, especially when it's time for my food. I mean, look at that series. Everybody is like, laughing, joking around. It's like no tension. सारा tension गायब हो जाए जेठालाल को देख के. I and Mayank started watching Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma from episode 1 in November or December, and now we have reached around 1000 episodes. So हमने series के जैसा शुरू किया है तारक मेहता देखना. We need at least 2 episodes of Tarak Mehta to eat dinner together. So आज तो छुट्टी है, आज तो मैं आराम से ब्रेकफास्ट करूँगी, तारक मेहता देखती हूँ. Join me. The best Hindi serial according to me. इससे बेटर कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. Let's watch तारक मेहता. So I just got ready. We will go hit the gym now. But before that, it's time for cheat meal. So we are going to get burger, fries, and soft drinks. So I'm like so excited and hungry, and I just got my period, so I am like already craving for food like for like the last 2 days, and finally I get to eat. So I'm a happy girl today. इस बार सबसे पहले मयंक महल का ऑर्डर आई है. दो बर्गर. So finally got our food, burger and fries.
Good burger. Good burger.
Yeah,
Good burger. Good burger.
I only one burger. Hi guys, so we are done with our cheat meal actually. इतने दिनों बाद मैंने इतने सारे कार्ब्स खाए कि I was not actually able to eat the entire burger. पर ऐसा लगा कि I just forced fed myself and now we are heading to the gym. Mayank was supposed to eat 2 burger, जिसमें से वो सिर्फ 1 बर्गर खा पाया. दूसरा बर्गर he's going to eat it dinner, I believe. Yeah, I think let's go to gym with happy tummies. I'll start my workout क्योंकि आज Saturday है and it's almost 7 o'clock right now in the evening और काफ़ी खाली है gym, so I can go and take like any equipments that I want. So feels good यार, क्या ही बताऊँ. So we are going to train a little bit of hamstring, quads and little bit of shoulders as well. So the plan was to train legs, like hardcore legs today, but then I got my periods and I am in like very bad cramps right now. It's like very bad and I'm also feeling very weak. So I'm not sure if I can actually take on with a leg day. So we are switching it up a little bit with quads, hamstring, and then we'll get a little bit of shoulders as well. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I thought I will do a voiceover for this workout videos and try to explain the exercises that I am doing and why I am doing so and how I am doing it. So first we are starting off with some dynamic stretches. It helps you a lot in opening up your joints and also helps you to keep away from injuries. So make sure that you do the dynamic stretches before you get into your actual workout. So we are starting off with hamstring curls. In total I am going to do like 5 sets here with 30 seconds gap in between. The first 2 will be the warm-up set and the next 3 will be working set. Keep increasing the load from set 1 to set 5. The last 3 set you should be able to do 10 to 12 repetitions with a load that would be difficult for you to complete those sets. So while doing the hamstring curls, make sure that your back is flat on the machine of the hamstring curl. Otherwise you may end up having back pain and the tension will go away from your hamstring and go to lower back. So take care of your form while you are using the hamstring machine. So next we are moving on to leg extension. You know, leg extension is one of my favorite exercises for the quads. So we are going to do 4 sets in total. First will be a warm-up set and gradually we will be increasing the weight later on with 20 seconds gap in between. I am going to do 4 sets continuously without getting up from my position. So in that way there will be constant tension on my quads. You should really try this set. It's going to burn your quads like anything. You can curse me later or thank me later, but please just try to do this set.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. Ha!
Our next exercise is for the hamstring. It's the good mornings with barbell. I usually prefer to do good mornings in a hack squat machine because I can carry more load and my form is better. But the machine was already taken by somebody and I did not want to wait. So we are going ahead with a barbell. So 3 sets, 15 reps, that's it. So our next exercise is for the quads and this is an isolated movement. I am using a single leg press machine. So most of the gyms may not have this machine. So you can easily use the bilateral leg press machine and walk one leg at a time. So I am using this machine right here. You can literally go heavy on this machine and it directly hits on your quad. So I'm going to do 3 sets of 15 repetitions on each leg. And then we are done and we move on to next exercise. Okay, so lastly, we are moving to two sets of shoulder. So we are going to do lateral raises in a superset with front raises. So I am doing seated lateral raises today because I have like very heavy cramps going on my abdomen, but we had to complete our workout anyways. I usually prefer to do standing raises because in that way I can activate my core properly and my form is better. Hi guys, so basically this is the next day. So yesterday I came back from gym and I was so damn tired that I took a shower, took my meal and straight away went to bed and did not get a chance to talk with all of you guys. So I woke up today with a new low weight actually. I am around 55.2 right now, which is lowest till now. And you guys know I am doing a mini cut right now for the whole month of June, and we will see in July how my body is responding, and accordingly I and my coach will take the protocol. That's the plan till now. So after the cheat meal my weight has considerably gone down, even though I am on my periods and I'm supposed to be bloated, but strangely I am not, and I'm like, that's really weird, but my body is responding differently. I am very happy the way my body is responding. You will see my check-ins right here on the screen, which I took today morning. So I look leaner than last week, my body looks less watery, and the cuts are coming out little by little. I still have to work a lot on my muscle mass because I'm still not happy with the amount of muscles I have, and to compete and to actually win in wellness category, I do need like double the leg size that I have right now. So we will see how that goes till October. We have like very little time left, but your girl is putting in the effort every single day. I'm putting in like 100%. Even though I am tired, I feel like I want to sleep, I don't want to do anything, still I'm just pushing, I'm pushing myself because I know at the end we need to achieve that pro physique. And when I say this name of the series is Road to Pro, doesn't mean that I am like the end goal is to win a pro card. Yes, of course I do want to win a pro card, but most importantly I want to build that pro level physique. That is more important. It's like you put in the work and the results will follow. So I am putting in the work by trying to build the pro level physique, and if I am able to build a pro level physique, definitely I'm going to win a pro card. But the most important thing is to build that pro level physique, is to have that work ethic that the pro level athletes have. So I'm working on that every single day. This is where I'm standing today. We are like 18 or 19 weeks out now. So yeah, that's about it about this vlog. I hope you guys like this vlog, you are enjoying the prep series. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel and help your girl grow, please. Help your girl grow. I'm like taking out so much of time and trying to put in more content for all of you. I have more content planned for you, like what supplements I am taking. I have got a tons of questions from you guys, which I want to do a Q&A session as well in my next vlog. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel, leave your comments below, hit the like icon, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye.